Hello friends, today's video is special for those who really want to make a channel on YouTube and earn online. In this video, I will teach you completely how you can make a news channel without showing your real voice and face with the help of AI tools and earn millions of rupees. In this video, I will share with you all the AI tools that you will be able to use for a lifetime. In this video, I will give you a complete guide. Friends, all the videos I make related to online earning are 100% authentic. I never tell you about the shortcuts and fake apps of online earning. It is very important for you to understand one thing, that you have to work to earn money. So get this concept out of your mind that you will be able to earn money from just copy-paste words or any shortcut. If you work online, you will have to put 100% effort in this work. So in today's video, I am going to teach you in a very easy way that how you can make a news channel and earn money from it. There are some important points at the end of this video that are very important for you to know. So you have to watch this video till the end. So let's start today's video. Friends, I am going to divide this video into 4 parts. And I will explain these 4 parts in great detail, which even an ordinary person can easily learn. The channel that I am going to make using AI tools, this channel will be 100% monetized. So now let's talk about step number 1. In this step, we need a script first. For example, our channel is related to news. For this, we have to write the script of the news first. In this video, I am going to teach you about Urdu news channel. If you want, you can make channels in Hindi or English using these methods. Now to get the script of Urdu news, I will open the Urdu website of Express News. If you want, you can get the script from any Urdu news website. Here you can see that we have got so many topics related to news. There are some topics in these, on which the channels of YouTube are very few. You can make a full channel on any of these topics. For example, I take out some news from this topic and generate a video. I am going to use this news as an example. You can also use this news heading as a title. And you can also put this image in your thumbnail. After this, I will read this news properly and write it in my notepad in easy words. And I will use it as a script in my video. Our first step is complete. Now let's talk about our next step, which is generating voice. To generate voice, you have 2 options. Either use your real voice or generate voice from AI tool. If we talk about option 1, then you don't need any expensive mic in today's time. You can simply record your voice by turning recording on in your mobile. And there is also such a tool, with the help of which you can edit your voice in just one click and make it professional. So to make your useless voice like the voice recorded in the studio, do watch this video of mine. I have explained in detail in this. So now let's come back to our topic. Now let's talk about option 2, which is AI voice generator. There are many tools to generate voice from AI. In this video, I am going to use AI tool called 11 Labs. So now we will search 11 Labs on Google. Now open this website. Now our text-to-speech tool is open. I will give the link of all these tools in the description. You can also open from there. First of all, you have to sign in with your Google account. After this, write your script. I copy and paste the symbol or script from the notepad and paste it here. After this, you have to select the voice of your choice. After this, click on the generate button and download your voice. By the way, there are many AI voice generating tools on my channel, which I have taught in complete detail. So from this video, you will learn how to generate voice from AI. So now let's talk about our third step, which is video generator. So to generate video, I am going to use the AI tool called DIT. For this, you have to type DIT AI in Google. After this, you have to sign in with Google. After signing in, click on create a video. After this, you can select any character of your choice. After selecting the character, select the size of the video and make its background green. After this, you have to upload your voice, which we generated in the second step. After uploading the voice, click on generate video. Our video will be generated after a few seconds. You have to download it from here. So friends, now our 3 steps are complete. Now let's talk about our last step, which is video editing. To edit videos, you can use any app. By the way, for mobile, I will recommend you to use the app called CapCut. I edit my videos in my laptop. So I will open my Filmora video editor. Now I will show you a simple way, which you can use to easily edit videos in any app. First of all, import your video in your editing app. Then add a background music below it and reduce its volume. You have to download the music from your simple YouTube library. After adding the music, remove this green screen and add any background as per your video. I add some images and videos according to my script. You can download images related to your content from simple Google, or I will give the links of 2 websites in the description of this video. You can download videos and photos from them and you will never have to face any kind of copyright. After this, to make your video professional, add some text, animations and transitions in it. So now our video is complete. Before showing the final results, I will tell you some important points that you have to keep in mind. If you use any AI tools, there is a free limit for it. So watch my videos to use any tool for a long time. In these, I have told you some methods by using which you can use 80% AI tools for free. You have to keep this in mind. Because some YouTubers say that channels with AI generated videos are not monetized. So I say that they are lying. For proof, you can visit this channel. In this channel, full videos are generated by AI and this channel is also monetized. If you want to earn from YouTube, then try to work on a topic on which there are not many channels. This will help your channel grow faster. So if you want me to make a video in which I tell you about unique YouTube channel ideas which will grow 100% in the future, then do let me know in the comment section. So now watch the results of the final video. So friends, that's all for today. So if you liked this video, then do like it. And to know about any AI tool, stay connected to my channel.